there, it's April of Yes to Next here with my mom, 𝐿𝐿𝐿.
Hi.
Now, many of you have asked for more 5-minute workouts, and some of you asked for boxing workouts, so we're going to incorporate the two.
Double combo.
That's right, a 5-minute boxing workout that you can do either standing or seated.
Okay.
Okay, all right, so make sure you have some water handy. If you're standing, just clear the area, and that's it. Any questions?
No, I'm going to sit, right?
Yes, you're going to have a seat, all right? So we'll take a quick pause here, and we'll get started with the warm-up and our boxing routine on the other side. Hey, Mom, you want to have a seat? We'll get this warm-up started. Okay, let's just march it in place. Okay, get our body all nice and warmed up.
Yep.
Ready to enter the ring. Okay, all right.
Get your dukes up.
That's right, march it out. Very good. Okay, give me some side steps. Good, yep. You're in the chair, that's good. I like it. You're going to be doing some of those side steps even while you're in the chair. Okay. Oh, you got some fancy footwork there. Step it in, step it out. Okay, very good. And march it out. Okay, good. All right, give me some shoulder rolls back. 3 and 4 and reverse. Sit 1. Good. 2, 3 and 4. Let's reach it up for 4. 1. Good. 2, 3 and 4. Very nice. March it out. All right, first boxing move, just gonna be forward punches. If you're standing with me, I want you to have a staggered stance. As you can see, my feet are not in alignment. They are staggered to give you a solid base. So you're gonna punch and jab, okay? Punch, jab, okay? Good. Okay, keep going. Let's go from here for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, good, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Okay, good work. Okay, boxing moves. I want you to have your elbows in, okay? Elbows in, always protecting the face, right?
Right.
Okay, keep those feet moving.
Right.
Very nice. Okay, very good. Now, this is not really technically a boxing move, but I want you to do some forward punches to get some overhead work, okay? So here we go. So overhead. Good.
Go as fast as you can.
You can, yes. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. March it out. Give me some steps here. Good work. Looking good, everybody. Okay. Now, the uppercut looks like this. Bring it up to your chin.
Okay.
Up to the chin. Up to the chin. Okay. And ready? Yeah. Go. Yeah. Good. Give me 10 and 10, 9 and 9, 8.
Just be sure you don't knock yourself out.
7, yes. I'm good. 4. This is 3 and 2 and 1. Very nice. March it out. Give me some good boxing feet. Good. Nice work, everybody. Okay. Now the hook is just basically bringing this elbow up, and you're bringing that punch to the chin level here, right?
Okay.
Like that. Okay, bring the elbow up.
All
bring the elbow out. Okay? You ready to do this?
Yep.
Here we go. Elbow out, 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 out. Good. Elbow out, out. Good. Keep it going and breathe. Looking good, everybody. I want you to do 10 more from here. This is 10. This is 9, 8, 7. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. Good. Or give me some steps. Good.
Be careful you don't punch yourself out.
Okay. Next move. No rest. Side punches, right?
Yep.
So we're going to the right and left, right and left. Give me some good ones. Very nice. Nice. Keep going. Give me 10. This is 9, 8. Breathe. 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, very nice, everybody.
Yeah.
Good work. Good work. Okay. We're going to do one more round of those, but we're only going to do 10 things each. All right?
Okay.
Ready? 5-minute workout. Quick, quick, quick.
Okay.
All right. You ready for this?
Yep.
Forward punches just for 10. Here we go. 1. Keep those elbows in. 8, 7. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. March it out. Good work. Next one, overhead punches. You can stop the feet or keep them going. So go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. March it out. Woo! Getting that heart rate up.
I'm getting that.
How you feeling?
Yep. The heart
Okay.
rate is pumping.
Very good. Okay, you ready for uppercuts?
Yep.
Here we go. Give me uppercuts. Upper to the chin. Chin. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. Good work. 2 more rounds. Very nice, everybody. Ready for some hook?
Yep.
Hook action?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. This is hook and hook. Get elbows up. Just to chin level. Good. You're really boxing it out. Very nice. It's 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it out. Woo! Good work. Last exercise. Side punches for 10. Here we go. So right, left. This is 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. March it out and rest. Woohoo! That was your quick boxing workout, everybody. How you feel?
5 minutes. It's good.
All right, very nice. Okay, stop the feet. Let's give me some inhale, exhales. Up and down. Whew. Down. Up and down. Up and down. Good. Give me that arm across the chest. Good arm work. Good work. Breathe. And other side. Arm across the chest. Nice work. Good work for this 5-minute energizer, boxing energizer. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Short and sweet. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We always appreciate your comments and you spending time with us. So thank you so much. So we look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime,
Keep moving.
See you
See you soon.